If we stay here any longer, we're gonna miss the service. Laura, you hear me? Never mind.
Make me proud.
Hey, I'm Marie.
Hey, cuz, it's Laura.
Laura. Alright, where's my aunt?
She left with everyone else. Where the hell are you anyways? We're waiting.
Okay, come outside. I'm pulling up with Sam.
Zona's almost here. You can stay inside, I'll be quick.
What the fuck? Quit dicking around. You want us to get caught up out here? Damn.
Damn, all right, chill.
All right, sit back. Hey, you want to come out for a bit? Raise some hell for Rick?
What are you talking about? Get out of the car and let's go.
Come on. I know damn well he wouldn't want us soaking.
That's right, Church Mouse. Come join us. Take a hit of this.
No, I had to do this sober. Take this seriously, you two. We're already left behind and the family ain't gonna take it kindly if we show up late and shit-faced.
Listen.
Man, whatever. Fuck you.
Exactly. Listen. I'm family too. We are family. I know he wouldn't want us mourning his sorry skin. We'd get things right, Laura, if you weren't so scared. We'd get that prick who did this.
So now you want us running the streets like you? I'm moving up in the world and I'm keeping my nose in the books. Someone's gotta be better than you cold-blooded losers.
Fuck.
I'd watch my mouth if I was you. What is it you study? Acting, theater.
This girl wanna act?
Well, when that all falls apart, someone's gonna catch you. Remember that. Whatever, man. If you're gonna drag, then I'll get going. I gotta go pick up something for Rick. Sam, get out.
What? Why? Let me come with you. You ain't no one-man army.
You heard me. Get out. I gotta go.
All right. Man,
Come on, let's go.
do this. Sam, do that.
Nigga, just close the door.
Yeah, whatever.
Finally. Zona back there?
Nah, she's bringing some. Rick would have wanted what those bastards took.
Seriously, we're gonna be late. At this rate, we won't even get there. Laura, why are we sitting here waiting for these fools?
Don't call us no fucking fools.
No, well, we can't just rightly leave family behind. I mean, Rick loved them too, didn't he? Besides, she probably won't be gone for that long.
You know, Zona doesn't care about anyone but herself. Laura, if it wasn't for you, I would have left already.
Then fucking go and quit your bitching. You're starting to kill my fucking vibe.
You know, Sam, I don't care about your vibe. Man, what the hell has been wrong with you lately? You've been acting like a punk. You know, how am I even fucking related to you?
Fuck you, touch me and fuck you, bro. What the fuck?
Hey, Sam, chill
Come
out. Hey,
here, Hogwarts.
Hey,
What's
hey,
up? I got
Sam,
you. What's up, babe?
Sam,
What's up?
please,
So cool,
chill
Sam.
out.
Whatever, Hogwarts.
Hey,
I'll
come
beat
on,
your
hey,
fucking
come on,
ass. What's
Sam,
good?
chill out.
Man, fuck you.
Hey,
Fucking
Sam,
nuts.
chill out.
What's
Hey,
good? Get
hey.
off me.
Chill out, Sam. Don't talk to your own blood like that.
Man, fuck that punk ass bitch. He in my blood. He in my family. He's not on the streets with me every fucking day. He don't fucking know us. You know what? Fuck that. I'm bringing the party home and go help Zoe. Fuck this shit, man.
Rick.
Where you at? Okay, bet. You almost ready then?
Come on, give it to me. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna go get some air.
She'll be here soon. I'm gonna go out back and wait for her.
Is she still on the... Zona, are you there? Zona, what the fuck was that?
Hey, easy with Maria's phone. You guys have been screwing around all night with it.
Jeez, sorry. Didn't know you were awake.
Yeah, no thanks to you guys.
You aren't leaving, are you?
Yes, I am. You should too.
What? No, she's almost here. We should stick together.
Look, cuz, I am not comfortable with all that, okay? I don't know what's going on with Zona and her little goblin, but you need to come with me.
So that's it. Just abandon them. We're supposed to be glued together, watching each other's backs. Isn't that what they taught us?
Look, my parents taught me to be better than that.
Then help them.
There's no use. Let's just go.
Wait, I'm staying.
What is it with you? Usually you're preaching about taking these things seriously, but now you're just turning into one of them.
No, I'm not.
Don't
What are you
deny
talking?
it. Don't deny it. This is how it starts. Then you'll be joining them in the streets doing God knows what. Look, are you really ready to turn your back on your good life that you've built for yourself?
No.
All right then. Look, I need to get some air, okay? Just wait here for me.
Hey, don't come any closer. I don't want to start nothing with you.
Laura, you don't have to worry about that. Not anymore. It's yourself you should be concerned for.
Rick? What are you talking about?
You need to pull yourself from the plateau you're walking right off of. Eyes wide shut. You're starting to lose sight of where you really belong.
I don't know where to go anymore. It feels like everything is closing in on me.
Fate hasn't closed the jaws on you yet. It's time to turn your back on the sins we couldn't resist.
Rick! Zona's here!
You've been crying, Lori.
Just miss Rick a lot.
Look, me too, sis. If you really do miss him, then help us make sure he rests. Take a look at this, just for real. You know whose this is?
That's Rick's.
Yeah. We found it on one of his friends. You knew him too.
Who the fuck had it? Who took it from him?
Come along with us and find out for yourself.
Hell yeah.
You kept those in our aunt's house?
Calm down, DJ Hannah. You know she keeps her nose clean. Why the hell would anyone look here?
What are we going to do?
Well, we're gonna get those pricks who spilled our blood.
We're going after people now?
Hell yeah, we got something for you too.
Let's go have some fun.
What are y'all doing out
Man,
here?
shut up, Pufflepuff. Take your ass back to Hogwarts. Ned Flanders, Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bro, shut the fuck up.
Alright, man.
We are all going out and she's coming too.
No, she's not. Laura, don't listen to them. We gotta go. Come on.
What, you can't think for yourself anymore?
Hey, but these the blessings of a tragedy. I feel you don't be mad at me. That's how I think it saddens me. Burdens love to saddle me. Demons come to battle me. No solar being rattles me. It's just me in balconies. You told me you'll look out for me. So many people doubted me. So many times I doubted me. You never had one doubt in me. You cashed it all your faith on me. You said you found the great in me. A spirit that these niggas envy. Promise I get moms that Bentley. Take all of the family with me. Congrats, we finally made it, bitch. This like shit started making sense. Stepping out my bubble now. Found a couple hustles. Hungry out the jungle now. I say it and it happens now. Regrets, I have a couple of them, but I never mentioned that. Baby, tell me happy thoughts, happy thoughts, happy thoughts. That be on my every thought, every thought, every thought. The rate is clearing up, but look at what it costs. What it costs. I had to level up after we took a loss, took a loss.